Is presented to you by GMP Promotions in partnership with Antipolo City Government headed by the Honorable Mayor Casimiro Junjun Inares III, Vice Mayor Pining Gatla Bayan, and Council and Governor Nina Inares. In cooperation with Councilor LJ Simulon, the PIO, Antipolo City Sports, GSO, OPSS, Antipolo PNP, Police Visibility. Your promoter, Domitian, Salvador Domitian Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, all professional bouts are sanctioned by the Games and Amusement Board Chairman, Attorney Richard Clarin, and the Chief of Boxing, Jackie Cacho Ornido. And this bout on the template match system will be Alpi Chukoso, Carlo Bolio, and Hilco. And when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action, Elmer Costilla. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting up the blue corner, from Bangkal, Morong, Rizal, ladies and gentlemen, Carlo Hernandez. And his opponent across the ring, fighting up the red corner, wearing white and weighing 108 pounds, from Haiyan Punch Boxing Gym of Tacloban City, introducing Leonel Cabrera.
Let's go!
Relax lang son ha, relax. Speed lang ha. Skippy, ay pagpa-cover, Skippy. Knockdown ng kalaban. Ayaw pang gigil ha. Sige na, tuloy-tuloy. Ayaw lang pang gigil. Pakunik ka, ikunik la, ikunik. Overhand, son. Oh, nice. Right hook ha, son. Right hook, son. Right hook, kawat. Oh, uppercut na son. Pamati, body na. Basta corner, body. Walang jogging yan kasi natapilok. Walang jogging, natapilok yan. Sarado, sarado. Sarado son, sarado.
Katawan.
Uppercut! Sige, relax lang ha.
Parang naramdaman mo, di ba?
Una ka.
Round 2. Speed. Importante makonek, speed. Kawat na oh. Kawat na. Oh.
Bilis mo, wala hangin yung ano, yung rate. Konti na lang yan.
Konekta lang son, speed, konekta.
How's the card so far? How's the
Sige.
so far? We have a PDM right now. Wala.
Oh, thank you Lord, knockout. Thank you. Out. Nanalo pang injury.
Ito coach ng taga-Tacloban yan.
Tatay ako, tatay.
Tatay kayo sir, oo. Okay ah.
Pwede kang pa-picture doon sa bus.
Sino?
Ikaw. Sama mo siya.
Isabay mo na lang to, sir. Oo. Pakipost muna pag wala pa. Dito.